Hi, and in today's Microsoft Word tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place text anywhere in your Word document. So the way in which we can manipulate text and make it as flexible as possible is by using text boxes. So if I just go up to the Insert tab here, and then I go all the way along to Text Box, click on the text box and select Draw Text Box. Then go down to your document and then just click the mouse and drag. Now every text box as a default will come with a white background and a black border. Just to quickly demonstrate that, if I go to Design, if I just go up to Page Color, click on the drop down and select Grey, you can see that that text box comes with a default background of white and a black border. Now for this you're probably going to want to get rid of that. So the way that we do that is to go up to Shape Format. This will only appear, this tab here, if your text box is selected. If I click off, you can see that tab disappears. Select it, click on the tab, and go along to this section here. The first one is Shape Fill. That's the white background. So click on the drop down and just select No Fill. And then go up to this icon here, which is Shape Outline, and select No Outline. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and insert your text. Just double click inside the text box until you see your cursor. I'm just going to select some text. Okay, now I've done that, if I go back and just show you the background, go back to Design, select Grey again, you can see that my text is still in a text box, but the background's disappeared, as has the border. Now when you go to move this text box, mine currently moves, but sometimes you'll find that your text box doesn't actually move. You go to move it and it pings back to its original position. If that happens, once again go up to Shape Format, and you can either go to this wrap text icon here, or you can right click on your text box and go down to wrap text. Either of them will work exactly the same. Now I generally go down to in front of text, and this will allow me to move that text box anywhere I like. However, if you have some text, some normal text within your document, then it might be an idea to select one of these. And this just demonstrates how you can have the text to go as a square around your box, or tight through, or the text just will lie at the top and the bottom of your text box. So just select one of those that will suit your preference, and then you can move this text anywhere. Now if you wanted your text to be running in a different direction, we just copy and paste that text box. You can either double click on this text box or go over to this icon here called Format Pane. Go to Format Pane and go to Text Options here, and then go to this icon here. Click on the drop down and go down to Text Direction. Then click on the drop down, and then you can see you have a variety of different directions for your text to run. So I'm going to select the bottom one, and you can see that Word automatically turns my text round. Like with all text boxes, you can simply drag the corner and move this text box anywhere you like to fit your document. So if you need this to be a small channel or a small section, then you can just move that round. And again, you can go back over and rotate this text to the other direction as well. This means that once you're able to move these text boxes, you can fit them alongside each other. And don't forget that you can also use this for artwork. If you've got giant words within these text boxes, you can obviously turn them around and have a word that runs down the entirety of your page. Now the other way to use these text boxes is if you've just got one word. So let's just copy and paste this text box. I'm just going to select one word, so I'm going to get rid of all of this, and then I'm going to increase the size of this word. I'm going to go up to the Home tab, and then I'm just going to use this icon here, Increase Font Size, And then if you pull this text box to the left, you'll see that Word will push these characters into vertical text. Now it's done a reasonable job, but as you can see, everything's slightly nudged over to the left. So double click, highlight all of your text, make sure you're on the Home tab, and then go along to this icon here, which is Center Text. And that will center up your text within this text box. And of course you can use as many text boxes as you need to configure your artwork or your document. And then again you can move this around anywhere in your document. So I hope that's helped you today. If it has, please subscribe and have a great day.